Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This video is for those of y'all that go out and check your mail and it's sopping wet and you have one of these nice rock brick mailboxes and you can see it was starting to rust a little bit on top, and instead of going through the hassle of trying to chisel that mailbox out and redo it, I decided to try something a little different. So what I did was I bought some of that Gorilla it's crystal clear patch seal, and I'll show a picture of that. So what I did is you can put it on with a brush, roller, or whatever you wish. I use this roller, a little 4-inch roller, and I took the light off, blew it out real good, blew all the cracks out. Then I just rolled this on there, made sure I got all the cracks filled, let it set overnight. I came back the next day, double checked, and put another coat on just to make sure. You will get that wet look on top, which is fine. To me, it was no big deal. But anyway, you let that set, dry real good. I think I've been 3 months now and no more wet mail. It is nice. Anyway, that's it for this video. If you have any questions, comments, let me know. Hit the like, subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.